The Fable of Pappu and the Seven-Day Investigation. An AI animated video by AI AXOM. This video is just meant for entertainment only. It began with a howl. Not the nightly call of a wolf seeking the moon, but a cry that split the air at an hour no beast had expected. The howl came from the grasslands of Kaziranga, where the earth trembled with an omen. The wind carried the voice, and the rivers echoed it. All who heard knew it at once. Something grave, something unwanted had fallen upon their world. The word spread swifter than lightning over Brahmaputra's waves. Pappu is gone. Pappu, the one humans called Zubeen Garg, was not just a singer to the world of men. To the wild, he was the voice of rivers, the rhythm of winds, the heartbeat of Assam. How many times had he rescued the young deer stranded in floods, or lifted baby rhinos to safety from drowning fields? He had given the animals a reason to trust human hands. And now, those same hands, many suspected, might have silenced him forever. The truth was murkier than river silt. Pappu had gone diving in the sapphire waters of Singapore. They said it was an accident. Yet in Assam, whispers bloomed. Was it a planned murder? The president of the wild fraternity called for an extraordinary council. We owe Pappu the truth, the rhino rumbled. The truth lies in the sea, and so the sea creatures must help us. Thus, the pact was formed. The river messengers, the Gangetic dolphins, swam down to the Bay of Bengal. At Singapore's coast, they found the Ancient One, the giant tortoise, who had seen centuries pass like clouds. The tortoise listened to the corals, who had felt the vibrations of struggle, and the seahorses, who had seen bubbles of distress. With patience like stone, he gathered every whisper of the deep. Back in Assam, every evening, under a sky heavy with sorrow, the animals gathered. Lions of the lore sat beside snakes, deer beside wild boars. None hunted, none fought. The forest stilled itself in a vigil of mourning. On the seventh day, the dolphins returned, bearing the tortoise's decree. The truth was supposed to be made public, but the king of the jungle asked the dolphins not to speak out in public and told them to wait until the human race finds the truth on their own and declare it. The Jungle King asked the herd to wait and watch.